You might be earning more money than ever before, maybe even more than you ever imagined a few years ago, and yet somehow, at the end of every month, it still feels like nothing has changed. The money comes in, the money goes out, and you're left wondering where it all disappeared. And here's the uncomfortable truth that most people never realize. The problem is not how much you earn. It's what happens to your money the moment you receive it. 'Cause there is a hidden pattern that quietly keeps people stuck, no matter how much their income grows. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. Every time your income increases, your lifestyle follows it. You start spending a little more here, a little more there. Better food, better clothes, more convenience, more comfort. None of it feels wrong. In fact, it feels deserved. You worked hard for it. But slowly, without realizing it, your new income becomes your new normal. And the worst part is, the feeling of being financially stuck comes back again, just at a higher level. This is the trap that keeps millions of people from ever building real wealth. Because while they are focused on upgrading their lifestyle, they are ignoring the one thing that actually builds wealth: the gap between what you earn and what you keep. And this is where everything changes. Imagine two people earning the exact same income. One spends everything they make, slowly upgrading their life with every raise. The other does something slightly different. Before they spend anything, they take a small portion and invest it. At first, it feels slow, almost pointless. The numbers barely move. It doesn't feel exciting. But then something begins to happen that most people never experience. That money starts to grow. And then it starts growing faster. And then even faster. This is the power of compounding. And it is the exact reason why some people build wealth while others stay stuck forever. The difference is not income. It is behavior. It is patience. It's the ability to delay small pleasures today for a much bigger future tomorrow. But here's where most people fail. They want fast results. They want to see big changes quickly. And when that doesn't happen, they give up. They stop investing. They go back to spending. And the cycle continues. Meanwhile, the few who stay consistent, even when it feels slow, even when it feels boring, are quietly building something powerful in the background. Years later, the difference becomes impossible to ignore. One person is still working for money. The other has money working for them. And the craziest part is, it all started with a small decision that didn't feel important at the time. So the question is not how much you earn. The real question is, what are you doing with your money right now? Because that decision is quietly shaping your entire financial future. And if you truly understand this, you won't just think differently about money. You'll act differently. And that's where everything begins to change.